My pregnant clients all want to know, how soon can they start the Tupler Technique program after their birth? My pregnant clients all want to know, how soon can they start the Tupler Technique program after their birth? How soon you can start the Tupler Technique exercise program after your birth depends upon if you have a vaginal birth or a C-section. I'm Julie Tupler, creator of the Tupler Technique, a research and evidence-based program to treat Diastasis Recti, which is a separation of your abdominal muscles. If you have a C-section, you need to wait approximately 6 weeks to start wearing the Diastasis Rehab Splint, which is usually how long it takes for your C-section scar to heal. The purpose of the splint is to reposition your muscles and connective tissue. So if you are repositioning your muscles and connective tissue before the scar has healed, it may pull on your stitches and could have them come apart. However, if you wanted to start the program before your scar has healed, instead of wearing a splint, you can also hold a scarf while doing the seated exercises to bring your muscles and connective tissue together. However, you would hold it above your belly button so that you do not pull on the stitches below. If you want to learn more about making your diastasis recti smaller with the Tupler Technique, click on the link below to get a free copy of my Tupler tips. Thanks so much for listening.